Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, May 26th. We have 2 days worth of information to fill out on our calendar, so I want you to pay careful attention. Let's turn over yesterday's card to see where Tad was. Whoa. When we ended Tuesday, Tad was on the number 97. He had 67 and went down 10, 20, 30. Then it says for yesterday's card, it flew past Polly. It flew past Polly. It's trying to flee. Leap, Tad, leap to 83. 83? What? They want Tad to leap to the number 83? So he was on 97, and now he is leaping to to number 83. Here's what I want to remind you. This entire month, we have been working for Number Corner in our math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes, and we've turned that to page 63. As you can see on page 63, we have been working very, very hard to fill in all of the information for Tad. Let's see what happens when we do it this day. So, Tad was on the number 97. And now he's supposed to go to 83. So he went up 10. So he subtracted 10 from 97. Let's do that. So he went up 10, and then he went back 1, 2, 3, 4. 14? What? So with Tad subtracted 10 from 97 to make it 87. And then he subtracted 4 more, which made it 83. 83 is that special number for the day. We're going to color in 83. Now keep in mind, this was just yesterday's number. We still don't know what today's number is, so we're doing a lot of work today. That was yesterday's number. Let's see what the calendar has for today. So make sure you have colored in the number 83. I'm looking at this picture. I still see what looks like eyes here and a nose. Still can't figure out what's going on down here, but we'll figure that out soon. Let's click this, and it says we're on the number 83. Oh my goodness. And we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go up 10, 20, 30, 40. So we subtract 40, and then we add 2. Ooh. Subtract 40 and add 2. Ooh. That's interesting. So here we are on the number 83. Minus 40. So let's do that. We're on the number 83, and we go up 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we go over 2. 1, 2. So we end up with 43 when we subtract 40. And then we add 2. 43 plus 2 is 45. 45 is our number for this day. So today you should have colored in 2 numbers, the number 83 and the number 45. Wow. Incredible, All-Stars. And you'll see these numbers are here on the end, just in case you forgot the numbers that we colored in. You need to take a moment and pause the video to color them in. You may do that now. We are going to move on, and we are going to add our days in school. Now remember, we didn't do this yesterday, so we're going to add on 2 days. Not 1, but 2. So All Stars, here we go. We have 1 and 2. 2 days that we've added on, which now makes 165 days. We have a set of 5 here. Set of 5 here. 165 days. We also have 165 as the number, 165 as the number word, 100 plus 60 plus 5. And then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10, which is 50 plus 50 is 100, plus another 50 is 150, plus 10 is 160. We added on 2 days. Remember, we weren't doing number corner yesterday. So 165 is our number. And of course, we're going to add on some more coins. We have 2 different ways we've made the number 165 using coins. We have 100 cents, which is 4 quarters, plus 6 times, plus, now we have to add on 2 pennies since we added on 2 days. And that makes 165. Then we have 16 dimes as a different way to make 160, plus 5 pennies, which we may change around to make 165. If you need to pause the video to look over this information now, please do that. It is important that you understand how we get these numbers. Really is important. I know you can do it, All Stars. Can you think of a way to make a math equation that equals 165? Or even coins that equal 165? I challenge you to try that now. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Off you go.